See a helicopter. 911, flight 93, checking post and flight, trying to call me Melton. You want to know when else your phone won't be allowed to work. Get it on video. Time, date, number, dial. And yes, pick up those programs, all of you imagery disciples. And inspire the future and the present to greatness with your graphic art. And oh yeah, couple hundred years down the road, couple thousand years down the road, couple 100,000 years down the road, just a drop of water in a bucket, then poured into an ocean. Think in terms of that as you inspire those who will build those immaculate houses. The Lord's house, those 1,000 points of light. And get started on that right now. Journey of 1,000 or more miles begins with that single step.